This video is important those people who want to build their career in denim washing.
Hi guys, today I will show you how to make a 2D whisker and 3D whisker. At first, I will introduce you how to make 2D whisker. 2D whisker can be made in different way, but the top most important way are 1. Whisker in pattern, 2. By manual hand scrape, 3. By using laser machine. Guys, I will describe all the method one by one with video clip. So stay with me until the video over. 1. Whisker in pattern. At first, whisker pattern is made on rubber board. Then the pattern is inserted to the denim garments. Scrape over the engraved area and the whisker design is created. 2. By manual hand scrape. At first, whisker design is drawn on the garments. Then scrape on the drawn line by emery paper. Thus the design is created. 3. Whisker made by laser machine. At first, whisker design is made by Photoshop or Illustrator. Design is transferred to the laser machine. Then intensity of laser light is selected. Now laser light is imposed on denim garments to get the design. After the wash, the burnt indigo is removed and whisker is visible. Guys, now I am show you how to make 3D whisker. At first, whisker design is drawn on the garments according to the standard. Then resin is applied on the whisker area. After applying resin solution in the right proportion, 3D is made according to the whisker line. Then heat is applied on the 3D area for 1 minute. After that, garments is cured in an oven at the right temperature with time being as mentioned in resin product manual. After curing, 3D area became more hard. Now scrape on the 3D line by emery paper. As a result, color comes out from the 3D line. Sometimes potassium permanganate is applied on the 3D line and neutral the garments. Finally, now you can see the 3D whisker. Guys, if you get minimum benefit from my video, please like and comments on my video. See you next another video. Till take care. Allah Hafiz.